How to use Clipchamp Video Editor Beginner's Guide. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can use Clipchamp Video Editor in the most, efficient and easiest way possible, and I'm going to allow you to make anything you like on Clipchamp. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and write Clipchamp in our URL. So here we have it, clipchamp.com. Clipchamp, all your video needs in one place. Use Clipchamp's free video editor to create beautiful videos today and stuff like that. Now, obviously, we know Clipchamp is associated with great companies like CapCut, iMovie, Filmora, DaVinci Resolve, and much, much more. And what the fun thing about Clipchamp is it's totally free. So it's pretty basic stuff, and you don't have to download anything. Like, it's totally free, and it's an online video editor. How cool is that? So here, again, all your video needs in one place. If you were to go to the features, we can see that it has a video editor, it has a cam recorder, screen recorder, text-to-speech, brand kit, green screen, video overlay, trim video, GIF maker, video cropper, resizer, and much, much more. Obviously, you can see that it's trusted by a lot of companies like Google, Deloitte, Dell, Microsoft, Zendesk, Veolia, Comcast, and much more. You can also see like their community with like different editors that use Clipchamp to create their videos. They also have amazing customizable video templates, like we can see get inspired without being tied down. Our video templates give you the best of both worlds, ready to use templates for everything from ads to vetting video inspiration, all within a flexible video editor that lets you truly make template your own. Whether you're creating videos for social video ads, corporate slideshows, cinematic presentations, or your best friend's wedding, we have got you covered. Mix and match stock footage audio, stuck for ideas, need new video stock to bring out the best in your project, or do you have your own video files but not the right audio? Our extensive video and audio stock library lets you pick and choose as you go along. We get that great videos are mixed of bag of bespoke content alongside stock, and that's at the heart of our editor experience. What makes our video technology different? We've championed online video creation since 2014 and continue to complement our proprietary video technologies to enhance a flexible and fast video editing experience. This includes technologies that lets you compress, convert, collect, record, and create videos without delays in rendering or locked-in file formats that are hard to convert or share. Now that we've discussed, all of this, what we're going to do is we're also going to see how the pricings work with Clipchamp, because obviously before getting into, the whole editing process, we need to know how much it's going to cost. Now there are two ways. There's either the free plan, which is totally free, paying nothing, which is one of the best things about Clipchamp. And the second is the Essentials plan. Now in the Essentials plan, it's for everyday editors, and you have unlimited watermark-free exports, up to 1080p export resolution, premium audio, image, and video stock, premium filters and effects, brand kit for managing logos and colors, and a lot of content backup. Now, you can also go ahead and compare the plans if you want to, but for now what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and sign up. Now, I'm going to be using a temp mail to sign you up, but you could just go ahead and use your own email. So again, it's a hefty sign-up process. Just make sure to, sign yourself up properly, add your correct, date of birth and everything, choose your region, and once you have done all those things, all you're going to do is, again, just go here. I'm going to use the temp email I just copied. There we are. And yeah, just go ahead and create an account. So here it says create an account with the email. They sent like a link to our inbox, so you're just going to wait for it to refresh. And once it does, there you have it. Clipchamp, sign into Clipchamp. Now you're just going to click on this link. And once that happens, it's going to redirect you. So obviously we can see Clipchamp, Microsoft's very own online video editor. It's stock and it's amazing. So it's going to welcome you into the editor, and it's pretty easy to get started. So you're going to tell them what kind of clips you make and stuff like that. You can do this just to get familiarized and optimize your Clipchamp, but you can just skip it. So I'm going to skip it for now and get right into the mainframe. Now, once you're loaded in, it's a lot like Canva. If you've used Canva, you can see that the whole, dashboard interface and how everything, it looks a lot like Canva. Now, what you can do from here on out is obviously you're going to come here. Now, you can either like just start off with a template by just using these templates, pretty similar and easy stuff like Canva. You can also like use the brand kits. Now, obviously, you can't necessarily use the brand kits in every video because you're going to need an upgraded plan for that. And you can't necessarily use all the templates. But do not worry. Again, the free features are amazing. So you can like go here, click on create your first video. And once you do that, it's going to open you into an editor. So here you are. Here is your editor. And I'm going to explain one by one what's going on over here. So over here, obviously, you're going to import your media and drag and drop the videos that you want to create. For now, I'm going to be using a template, but you can just drag and drop your videos. Or you can just record it right away. Like record your screen camera, or you record your screen right now. Like you can allow it to use your microphone if they want to, and more stuff like that. So as you can see, right now, I am recording you can see, you're just going to allow it to record this part of screen or some other part of screen and just start recording. Pretty easy stuff. But yeah, I'm going to use a template. Okay, I'm going to use an Instagram template. I'm going to drag and drop this video into my timeline like this. Click on it and click on add to timeline, click on add template, and here you go. It's been successfully added, and you can see that in your timeline, you can see the whole outline of the whole overlay of the video. Like you can see the gym overlay, text overlays, and everything. And you can just come here, click on these, delete this if you want to. So let's say I'm going to delete like the flowers and everything. And then you can also like add more fade-ins, add more filters. You can adjust different colors, like mess around with the color gradings, and you can also turn on auto captions, which is also another great feature that Clipchamp provides you with. So yeah, basically that is how simple Clipchamp is for using. Now, just like once you have done your video and you like what you see, all you're gonna do is you're just gonna go and export, and then you're just gonna export your video in whatever quality you like. So I'm just gonna go with 480p. And once you click on 480p, what it's going to happen is it's going to like process your video. And once your video is done processing, it's going to automatically download. You can also generate a link to share this video with anyone you want to. And that is also a very good feature that your MailChimp brings you with. So once that is done, yeah, you're pretty much good to go. So that is how you use Clipchamp. And if you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.